Hello guys, today we will look at the elephant trap, very famous trap for black playing against d4. So d4, in this position white attempts to have a solid position and not give black any counterplay. So we play d5, c4, e6. This is queen's gambit declined. White plays knight to c3, knight to f6. This is very well-known theory. And white plays bishop to g5, pinning the knight on f6, so that they can continue pressure on the d5. And we cannot capture with this knight because white will take the queen. Black plays knight to d7. This looks like a blunder for black because queen is no longer protecting the d5 square because this knight blocks the queen. So white thinks that they have achieved a good result and they take the pawn on d5. Black takes on d5. And in this position white pay attention that due to this pin and this knight on d7 they have a free pawn on d5, so they capture knight takes d5. And here black, to the surprise of white, just take the knight and leave the queen under attack. So white takes the queen, they're up a queen, and here bishop to b4 check. And it appears that the king doesn't have a square to go. He has to block with the queen. And after takes, and king takes to d8, so you can calculate the material, and black is a lot of material up. Very good trap, and you should try it at home. Alright, thank you very much.